Looking for the perfect way to beat the heat and boost your health? So don't worry. In today's video, we're sharing 8 refreshing, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting summer drinks that will keep you cool, energized, and feeling your best. From golden turmeric lemonade to hydrating watermelon detox water, these drinks are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and bold flavors. So grab your favorite glass and let's dive into these delicious wellness drinks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health-boosting recipes. Let's get started. 8. Refreshing, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting summer drinks for good health and wellness. As the summer heat rises, staying hydrated is essential. But why settle for plain water when you can enjoy delicious drinks that not only quench your thirst, but also support your immune system and reduce inflammation? Here are 8 refreshing, nutrient-packed summer drinks to keep you feeling your best. 1. Turmeric ginger lemonade. Why it's great. Turmeric and ginger are powerful anti-inflammatory agents, while lemon adds a boost of vitamin C to strengthen your immune system. How to make it? 2 cups water, 1 TSP fresh turmeric, or 1 to 2 TSP turmeric powder, 1 TSP fresh ginger, grated juice of 1 lemon, 1 TBSP honey or maple syrup, optional, ice cubes for serving. Steep the turmeric and ginger in hot water, let it cool, then mix with lemon juice and honey. Serve over ice for a zesty and refreshing drink. 2. Green tea and mint cooler. Why it's great. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, and mint is excellent for digestion and reducing inflammation. How to make it? 2 cups brewed green tea, cooled, 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves, 1 TBSP honey, optional. Ice cubes. Lemon slices for garnish, steep green tea and cool it. Muddle mint leaves slightly to release their oils, then mix with tea and ice. Garnish with lemon slices for extra flavor. 3. Watermelon basil detox, water. Why it's great? Watermelon hydrates while providing lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Basil contains anti-inflammatory properties. How to make it? 2 cups watermelon chunks, 4 to 5 fresh basil leaves, 2 cups coconut water or plain water, ice cubes. Blend watermelon with water and basil leaves, then strain if desired. Serve over ice for a cooling and detoxifying drink. 4. Pineapple ginger immunity booster. Why it's great. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Ginger adds extra immune support. How to make it? 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, 1 TSP grated ginger, 1 cup coconut water, juice of 1-2 lime ice cubes. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Strain if preferred and serve chilled. 5. Berry hibiscus, iced tea. Why it's great. Hibiscus is packed with antioxidants, while berries are rich in vitamin C and polyphenols that support immunity. How to make it? 2 cups brewed hibiscus tea, cooled, 1-2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 TBSP honey or stevia, optional, ice cubes, mint leaves for garnish. Mash the berries slightly to release their juices, mix with hibiscus tea, and serve over ice for a vibrant and health-boosting drink. 6. Cucumber aloe hydration elixir. Why it's great. Cucumber and aloe vera are hydrating, anti-inflammatory, and great for gut health. How to make it? 1 cucumber, sliced. 1 TBSP fresh aloe vera gel. 2 cups coconut water. Juice of 1-2 lemon ice cubes. Blend cucumber and aloe vera gel with coconut water, then strain if needed. Serve chilled with a squeeze of lemon. 7. Mango turmeric LASSI. Why it's great. Mango is high in vitamins A and C, while probiotic yogurt supports gut health. Turmeric adds an anti-inflammatory boost. How to make it? 1 cup fresh mango chunks, 1 pound or 2 cup plain yogurt, or dairy-free alternative, 1 pound or 2 TSP turmeric powder, 1 TBSP honey or maple syrup, 1 pound or 2 cup water or coconut milk ice cubes. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. Serve cold for a tropical and nutritious treat. 8. Chia Lemon Detox Water. Why it's great. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3s and fiber, while lemon detoxifies the body and boosts immunity. How to make it. 1 TBSP chia seeds, 2 cups water, juice of 1 lemon, 1 TBSP honey, optional. Ice cubes, soak chia seeds in water for 15 minutes until they expand. Add lemon juice and honey, stir well, and enjoy this hydrating and cleansing drink. Final thoughts. These anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting summer drinks are perfect for keeping you hydrated while promoting overall wellness. Try incorporating them into your daily routine for a delicious way to stay healthy all season long. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments.